This steering wheel is off of a Ford F250, a 1977. However, this same steering wheel was also used on the Mustangs of that era, and we've done quite a few of these, restoring them back to original. And as you can see, this one definitely needs a lot of restoring. So look at the leather is just completely worn out. The metal on the spokes is completely just scratched to pieces. And what would you expect after almost 50 years? So we are going to transform this, and when we are finished, we will have a brand new steering wheel to show you. Take a look at this 1977 Ford F250, completely redone. Looks like a brand new steering wheel. Resurfaced and repainted those spokes back to factory new, and then added that new Ferrari-black leather with that hand-stitch baseball stitch on there. I can honestly say this is better than new. Remember, the steering wheel is the most viewed and touched part of a vehicle. So if your steering wheel looks old, your vehicle looks and feels old. So let us make yours back to new also. Reach out to us at craftcustoms.com.